The next section which we have is about talking about what's coming up next after 2025.20 version is released. It's just been in our continuous endeavor, to help creating the test case with the ease, like with the minimum, user inputs. If we can create the queries, we can create the code which can generate all your test cases. So through the help of this contextual AI capabilities which we have, with the very minimum manual effort, that we will be able to create the test cases, and the ones which Ramesh has explained, those we will be enhancing it, and it would be available for the key components. So today it was on the majorly on the JDBC and the code. The other side, we will be keep on enhancing it wherever in the what is all the key components, wherever we can use this agentic AI support to make it easy to use. Just that you just provide some of the inputs, and don't need to provide all the queries and all complex query. Let leave it up to the system and it take care of it. So that is how it's going to be the agentic AI support going forward for us. And then next enhancements we are going to do on the mapping manager. Already we have the mapping manager which holds up all the metadata, or like ETL mapping documents at one place for us. And now the next enhancements which we are going to do is, using that AI powered wizard, we will be going ahead and reading the transformations, the ETL transformations, maybe the code, or if you have ETL mapping document, maybe in the different formats, it will be able to read it, and then it should be able to create the test cases. So that is what is the next enhancements. We'll be going to do it on the mapping manager side, and then the next one will be on the version control of the data sources. So this is about deep integration with the CI/CD. So today we have support for the Git for major of the features, and now that we will be enhancing it for data source as well, so that whenever you want to migrate from one environment to another, one branch to another branch, it is just that you merge one branch to another, and then you just simply pull it, and whichever environment it is, and the rest of the all test, it will be ready to run without any manual changes there required. So those gaps also will be filled in, and then this is gonna come soon there. And next is the new no-dependency pipeline. This is another type of pipeline which we are gonna be coming up in the next release, after 2.0, and this would be a rapid creation of the data flows or the task for the pipeline. So we don't want to have the drag and drop, and if you don't have a dependencies to be run within the task, just a parallel task. If you have to run, simply you have to just select what are the data flows, what are the data models or DB flows you want to run. Select it at one place, and a single go you will be able to create the pipeline. So the setup time for your test and all will be reduced drastically. So that's one thing which is going to come up soon on the platform side. And next we'll talk about the product updates which we'll be having. So BI analyzer, which Ramesh has explained about, right? Like you get all the internal structure and the details, like what are the columns it is using, what are the fields which are not used. So those details which we have for Tableau will be enhancing in for Power BI also. And next it would be the stress test plan for Oracle Analytics. STP is like definitely a very good feature on the Power BI and Tableau side right now. And this, as we have now Oracle Analytics support, the STP will be part of the next upcoming releases. And with that, it makes it like all the thick client related features are available on the DataOps Suite as well. And then with that, you can stress test, you can load test your specific reports, OA reports, just to see on the high load how does it exactly performs with the different user simulation. And next we will be having a support for the Cognos. So this is another BI solution integration which we'll be having. And this would help you, like if you want to validate your report data on the Cognos, or if there is any migration cases from one BI product to another BI product. So you can, so if it is Cognos to Power BI or the other way around, you can just simply connect to the Cognos, and then the other BI source, just compare it and find it out if your all reports data is fine or not, report exactly looks same or not. And then coming to the data quality issue management, this is a data, so automatically detecting the data quality issues is already present with us. Now what's next? So next is to enable to track the issues, like what happens next, do the assignment, and then track those specific issues till the time it is got resolved. So all thing can find it in the data quality there, that you can maintain the end-to-end life cycle of data quality issues from the day it is found. And coming to the last updates which I have here is which is upcoming is logging and app health monitoring. So it's just more on the platform side, where we'll be enhancing our log tracking so that faster resolution if anything gets up there, and as well as app health monitoring. So today we have it like as a set of monitoring where it can tell what are the services are turning down and all those information, but we want to extend it to know that, okay, in whichever the system it is running, how that exactly the health of that system, and as well as how much is the CPU usage and the rest of the compute which is available.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Request a free demo, scan the QR code below. Thank you.